Today's rail operation relies on an ever-increasing set of interdependent technical systems. Railway undertaking and train operating companies operate their trains on the rail network of infrastructure managers, which have to oversee the build and long-term maintenance of large-scale civil work projects. Infrastructure managers further have to build, operate and maintain telecom networks working in synergy with the signaling system in order to optimize the timetable serving the passenger and freight needs. The optimal operation of this complex system of systems requires for all its parts to operate as a whole. These interdependent systems can be digitally modeled under different dimensions, such as functional, logical, physical, which ultimately led to multiple, parallel, digital modeling initiatives with some overlaps between them. This creates a lack of digital continuity in the digitalization of rail operations, which increases costs and creates risks of vendor lock-in. This situation led to the creation of the LinX4Rail project end of 2019, with the aim to break silos and foster digital continuity. The LinX4Rail project is a project funded under Shift2Rail joint undertaking. It has three main deliverables: a railway semantic dictionary, a conceptual data model, CDM, and an architecture of the rail system. The Railway Semantic Dictionary is based on the OntoRail project by UIC. OntoRail is a knowledge engine, powered by ontologies. It intends to act as a railway encyclopedia, to consolidate and enrich railway systems modeling knowledge, and as a tool for building consensus, to promote and facilitate convergence and federation between models. The Railway Semantic Dictionary has four main features: import, browse, link and export. Import. The OntoRail knowledge engine supports the import of models in XML or TTL format into its internal knowledge graph. Browse. The OntoRail knowledge engine provides a unified searchable hierarchical view over imported models with a concise representation of the concepts of a model. Browse. The OntoRail knowledge engine provides also a visual graph representation, allowing to see concepts in the context of their source models and in relation to other models. Link. The OntoRail knowledge engine allows the creation of new semantic relations between concepts of different models and can interface with a software with forum functionalities, such as GitLab, to iteratively build a consensus. Finally, export. The knowledge contained in the graph of the OntoRail knowledge engine, including newly created semantic relations, can be exported to TTL format for further processing, for example as part of building a federation of models like the LinX4Rail CDM. The outputs of the LinX4Rail project will be leveraged as part of Europe Rail's joint undertaking, the successor of Shift2Rail.